So this is our new boat, a Seawind 11. So this video was shot back in October when I was lucky enough to go visit the Seawind factory and check out our boat. Fast forward to right now, we're real time. The boat is days away from being delivered in Miami, and we're gonna commission it real quick and then head up north for hurricane season. And we cannot wait. So right now we're in the middle of just getting all our stuff together. This is our trailer that has basically everything we own in it, ready to go on the boat. Bunch of boat supplies and gear and some toys, line. Dinghy's right here ready to be loaded on, and we can't wait. So, oh my God. I know this is a little bit of a tease for you guys, but bear with us. Let us know in the comments what you want to know, what you want to see more of, and we cannot wait to show you this thing 100% completed, done, when we're finally sailing on it in just a few days. So, I'll see you guys later.